Hi, this is Miriam from Dongxi. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. If you're here again, thank you. Welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. We introduce you to new tech and innovation coming from China that will probably have an impact on your future personal life or business life. If you have any questions or are looking for further information, please use the comment section below or get in touch directly with us on LinkedIn or any other social media channel that you can find in our channel description. Today we're going to talk about the impacts of the coronavirus, which has hit China really hard. And people are suffering a lot. So far, peak has not arrived and the situation is still severe. For instance, flights from Germany are mostly cancelled until the end of the month. Through this time, of course, digital platforms have sprung up to help the people in China to cope with the situation, and especially in Wuhan, where the lockdown is really strict and people are actually hanging out of their window at night screaming Wuhan 加油 to don't give up. Keep up the mood, because this is a really severe situation. As the number of confirmed infections is still rising, offline medical institutions are coming more and more under pressure, even though, as you probably heard in the news, China managed to build 2 new hospitals in a short amount of time, actually just a couple of days, to cope better with the situation. But there are still insufficient medical resources, which made the problem even more urgent, and people are desperate to get proper information and direct consultation. In this critical moment, online consultation and online medical service platforms have become a crucial supplement for the offline medical service institutions. Today we're going to have a look at the 4 most established online medical service platforms and at another service provided by Tencent, which is more of an health information platform. If you're wondering why we're looking at apps here, that's because the online penetration in China is pretty high and most of the online traffic is actually mobile traffic. So people would rather go online on their phone, which is why all those platforms focus on mobile applications. Let's jump right into it. Platform number 1 is Dingxiang Yisheng. Dingxiang Yisheng is basically an online doctor consultation platform that also offers general health consultation. The second one is Chunyu. This platform specialized in online consultation. Then there is Jie Yisheng, which is also an online consultation service. And last but not least, I think this is the most known platform, is Ping An Hao Yisheng. On this platform you can find and talk to a private doctor, you can get online consultation. It will also give you fitness and nutrition support. And it also has a section which is an online shop for nutrition and health supplements. But you can also directly buy drugs from the platform and also pick them up offline. And as I said in the beginning, there's also a 5th platform, which in this situation is quite important. It's Tencent Medical Code. And this platform is actually a medical health diseases knowledge platform. So you can get profound information and in-depth knowledge about different diseases and how to cope with it. Well, it is quite apparent why these platforms are very important and why people are jumping onto it, because they don't get enough resources in the offline institutions. But apart from that, in China we see that the adoption rate of mobile services is quite high, and even if you have a higher age, people will seek help online. So the adoption rate for new medical services is much higher than in, let's say, for example, Germany, which is of course a great opportunity for new medical services, and at the same time it helps the government of China to manage the crisis a little bit better and also to collect data which can be reused in the future. Let's have a look at the general functions of those apps to see what in specific they're good for. Well, first of all, as we already said, in these apps you can get online consultation. You can achieve remote home care. The apps will help you to do self-monitoring and give you advice during the lockdown how to cope with the situation, and also will give you psychologically support and guidance. This is important to prevent the risk of cross-infection when people are running to the hospital, seeking consultation and maybe catching the virus. If they can stay at home, consolidate with a doctor from anywhere in China, this is not just much more convenient, it also allows older people to talk to a doctor, and it reduces the risk for the virus to spread. So what else is the benefit of the platforms? They provide scientific sources for knowledge. They quickly set up a blacklist for rumors that are spreading on the internet, and the Tencent medical code app even published a symptom self-check tool. So people can provide some basic information about their symptoms that they're having, about their health condition in general, and get a quick feedback whether or not it's likely that they have the virus. Now, a last thing that they are providing on these platforms are online courses about hygiene, about disinfection, and in general about how to keep you healthy. These are the most popular, if you may say so, medical service platforms in China currently that have helped a lot during the coronavirus crisis, but they also collect data for the future. And I think there will be a huge upspring of new medical services because these platforms have been collecting a lot of data, first of all about people's concerns. What are they looking for when they seek help? They learned how to quickly detect rumors, and they learned how to rapidly localize clusters or networks of the virus. So to sum things up, the virus has brought a boost to digital medical services in China by bringing use cases, data, user number, feedback on usability, new scenarios, and data about the localization of the virus. And this data can be used and analyzed in the future to improve health services. There will be opportunities for the development of the online medical industry, including daily disease prevention, diagnosis, and treatment support. Also, of course, if you think about the coronavirus, we can think about services that will cover the rehabilitation guidance. Online consultation is actually expected to become a second supplementary channel to the offline medical treatment routine. Patients can make their first diagnosis through the online consultation platform, and minor health concerns can be promptly addressed. So I guess there will be more services coming up apart from the big players. We will see what the data of the coronavirus will bring. I hope you liked this video. If you did, if you have any more questions, if you would like to learn more about the specific services, please use the comment box below. If you like the content, please share it with your network. Thank you very much for tuning in. Stay tuned. See you in one of our next videos. Take care. Bye-bye.